In this problem, you will explore parabolas with the equation y equals a times x squared. Part A. What is an equation of the parabola with vertex at the origin and focus 0, 2? Start by graphing the vertex and the focus. How can you tell if this is a vertical or horizontal parabola? The focus and the vertex are on the axis of symmetry. In this case, they both lie on the y-axis, so the parabola is vertical. The focus is directly above the vertex, so this is a vertical parabola with vertex at the origin. The focus is the point with coordinates 0, c, so in this case, c equals 2. Write the standard form of the equation of a parabola. Now substitute 2 for c. And simplify. The equation of the parabola is y equals 1/8 times x squared. Part B. What are the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola with equation y equals -1/12 times x squared? This is a vertical parabola. The vertex is at the origin and a equals -1/12. Find c. What does the sign of a tell you about the graph? Since a is negative, the parabola opens downward. Graph the parabola. Write the equation relating a and c. Now substitute -1/12 for a. Write the cross products. Divide each side by 4 to solve for c. Since c equals -3 and the vertex is at the origin, you can conclude that the focus is the point 0, -3. And the directrix is the line with equation y equals 3.